You edit the whole video and it looks great, and then you notice that it has a watermark in the corner of your video. Whether you are a content creator or freelancer or just someone who wants clean footage without paying a subscription fee, this video is for you. I'll show you how to remove and avoid watermark using the free and legal method. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the video I created by AI, and in the corner you can see AI generated. Here you can see in the corner AI generated. So first of all I need to visit this website, then click on choose file, just upload the video. After upload the video, here you can see a plus toggle. Simply click on this, left click, then select the watermark area, then click on this apply button, then click on this from this corner, export and export, then click on this save. Here you can see our video is downloaded without watermark. Let's play this video. Now here you can see watermark is removed from video. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.